Today I'm going to show you how to fix an Xbox One controller. I've had a few problems with mine. Stick drift, where the screen moves when you're not touching the little joy pads, and the left bumper keeps popping off. So today I'm gonna fix it myself. There is a 3-month warranty on these controllers, but 3 months isn't enough. Imagine you bought it and you got to 3 months and 1 day and your controller fell apart and you're like, "Oh, it's that Xbox, my controller's broken." And they go, "We don't care, shut up." That's pretty much what happened to me. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to fix one of these yourself. All you really need for this is a little screwdriver. I don't know if you can see that, and also I've got a can of air. You can't see that, that's air. And really, all you want to do is... I hate you! I hate you! I don't want to see you like you! Don't tell! Don't walk! Follow it! Follow down! Follow down! Get out of clog it! Clog it, man! Get it! Put that clog together! Get out with ready! And that should be it, really. Usually that will fix any kind of stick drift issues. Thank you very much. Cheers.